systems. Maybe if you don't have a clear records, you lost the knowledge. If you don't have IT solution or you have don't have backup for the data, or you may lose knowledge. If you don't have succession plan and mentoring plan, sustainability for the human resources development, you have risk to lose knowledge. All these risks should be addressed and managed to minimize this risk as possible. Sometimes the people don't care about backup because it is expensive. But what will happen if you have a virus in your computer or something and you lose all the stored knowledge? The cost will be more expensive. So again, there is a risk to lose knowledge. But which knowledge? Maybe explicit knowledge, documents, maybe some kind of software, maybe the people themselves that carry some implicit knowledge, not documented yet, or tacit knowledge, maybe I lose it. There is many countries in the world that have a big problem. What is the big problem? The average age of organization. There is a gap between the seniors and juniors. Because most of the people in many countries don't want to join the nuclear program. So we have people about to retire, and we don't have young generation. And also, if we have fresh graduates, maybe the gap of knowledge prohibits the transfer of knowledge. Sometimes the knowledge to transfer, it's like the voltage difference. The gap should permit the knowledge transfer. I can't, okay, according to system, when someone retired, I will give a fresh, what? What you do? You should have a sufficient period between the mentor and mentee. Sufficient period and specified knowledge gap. Some countries have old staff. If you take the average age of the organization, you will discover that the staff is old. This is a great problem. You should have a strategy to deal with this. Some countries decided to close the nuclear power plants. What? What we will do? Remember the amount of human resources that we lost? Some countries have other strategies. Maybe the country decide, okay, I will formulate some TSOs that absorb or sustain acting in the nuclear. Maybe the political decision will be changed in the future. So you have to have some solutions. But look at the situation exactly, not just in theory. Because the game, as I mentioned, we are talking to the most valuable thing in the world, the knowledge.